Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're taking a look at AUDUSD, the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. We're going to dive into the recent news and events impacting this pair, and then correlate that with what we're seeing on the charts. Let's start with a look at the daily chart to get a broader perspective. Recent news suggests that escalating trade war tensions between the US and China are weighing on the Australian dollar. This is due to Australia's close economic ties with China and its reliance on commodity exports. The market is also anticipating the RBA's next interest rate decision, with many analysts predicting potential rate cuts due to global economic uncertainty. Looking at the one-day chart, we can observe a general downtrend over the past several months. We see a recent steep decline from approximately 0.632 at the beginning of April 2025 to the current level of around 0.6318 on April 14, 2025. This sell-off aligns with news articles suggesting dovish bets that RBA rate cuts will happen aggressively in May, July, and August due to new U.S. tariffs. Let's zoom in on the last few weeks to examine this more closely. We see the price consolidating around 0.630, and if we switch to the 1-hour chart, we can get a better idea of what happened today. Now, let's look at the 1-hour chart. Today, the price attempted to rally to 0.6342, but was rejected and is currently testing 0.630. If it breaks that, expect it to visit the recent lows of 0.6274. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can see short-term levels more clearly. There's support around 0.6315, a break below which could lead to further downside. Resistance can be found near 0.6343, and if it breaks that, could revisit the recent highs near 0.64. Given the current economic climate and trade war anxieties, a short-term bearish outlook seems more probable, especially if RBA rate cut expectations continue to grow. I think it's 70% likely the price will visit and possibly close below 0.63 soon, particularly if the RBA signals dovishness. However, a reversal could occur if we see a resolution in the US-China trade situation, giving the Aussie dollar some room to rally. Look for a break and sustained hold above 0.6343 as a bullish signal. Also, keep an eye on any RBA announcements in the coming days.